Hello everyone! Welcome to my first cooking video. Today, we are making stir-fry vegetables with tofu. The first two ingredients that we're going to prepare are garlic and onions. Next, I'm slicing the tofu and bell peppers. Then I'm adding some olive oil to my skillet. I always make sure that I don't put as much oil in my skillet. Now it's time to add the garlic. Next, you can add the onions. When your garlic and your onion is ready and it's golden brown, you can add your meat or any toppings that you like. This time I'm just using some tofu, and you can also add your flavor like your salt and pepper as well. While waiting for your tofu to be ready, you can continue prepare your vegetables. Now it's time to add your mixed vegetables. You can continuously add your vegetables. At the end, I'm adding more black peppers. Then I cover it and wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes. While waiting, I'm prepping my mushrooms. After checking it, now it's time to add my mushrooms. Now it's ready, it's time to mix. Smells so good. I just love the way my vegetables cook because it's not soggy and it's still very crunchy. Now I'm adding some sauce. Right now I'm just using some yakisoba sauce just to add more flavor. My stir-fried vegetables is now ready. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Happy cooking, everyone. Bye.